name is Captain Mills, and I'm presiding judge for this court.
Call Caleb Sneed.
What you been up to, black sheep?
Murder.
Call Mrs. Prothero.
Pardon.
She's no bat.
Silence in court.
Pardon.
Call Elgan Jones.
How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Call Lady Isabella Lennox.
I was riding through the woods, then this boy appeared. What's this?
I don't know. It looks like a poacher's trap.
Poaching is against the law.
When the storm comes, ooh, and the rain falls, ooh, nighttime grows, knock on the doors, when the clouds cover the moon.
Who do you believe stole the brooch?
Elgan Jones.
They think because I'm poor, I'm a thief. But I thieve because I'm poor.
My brooch.
And my evidence! It'll be the gallows for you, my boy.
Call Elizabeth Froome.
My name is Elizabeth Froome. I'm a kitchen maid.
Have you seen the wee weasel? Well, what have we got here then?
A poacher?
No, I'm not.
Are you the errand boy or are you a poacher?
Errand boy.
When the storm comes, ooh, and the rain falls, ooh, nighttime grows, knock on the doors, when the clouds cover the moon.
When I came back, he disappeared, and so had the gun. I grabbed my shawl and I went out into the night. The boy was holding the gun. Then a shot rang out and Mr. Higgins fell to the floor. You killed an honest man.
Let these people hear my story, I'm begging you.
Did you get the brooch?
There was no one in her room. Easy.
Our plan worked a treat.
When the storm comes, ooh, and the rain falls, ooh, nighttime grows, knock on the doors, when the clouds cover the moon.
I put my hands in my pocket to keep them warm. And that's when I found it. A brooch, wrapped in a handkerchief. This must have been the brooch Elizabeth and Higgins had stolen from Lady Isabella. Suddenly, the clouds covered the moon. It was pitch black.
Where's the brooch?
Get him, Higgins!
I could see Higgins on the ground. His clothes were wet with inky, dark bloods.
When the storm comes, ooh,